In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. First off, you'll need to have a QuickBooks account. If you haven't set one up yet, you'll want to do that right away by going to the QuickBooks website. For those of you who already have an account, you'll start by signing in. Once you've logged into your QuickBooks account, you'll go ahead and enter your credentials if prompted. Make sure to have your details handy to ensure the process is as smooth as possible. After signing in, simply click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Once you're in, it's time to select your company file. You'll likely see a list of your existing files, so just pick the one you need to work with today. If you have multiple companies, make sure you're choosing the correct file to avoid any mix-ups. After selecting your company file, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is the heart of QuickBooks, showing you an overview of your entire financial picture. Next, you'll locate and click on the plus Create button, which is your gateway to performing various financial tasks in QuickBooks. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Transfer. Now, you'll see the Transfer Funds window. In this window, you'll choose from the Transfer Funds From drop-down. Here, you'll select the account you're planning to move money out of. After that, look at the Transfer Funds To drop-down to choose the account you want to move the money into. It's crucial to double-check these selections to make sure you're transferring between the right accounts. Now, you'll enter the transfer amount. Be mindful of the exact amount to avoid any errors. Below that, select the date of the transfer. It's always a good idea to confirm you have the correct date, whether it's today's date or a prior entry that you're updating. At this step, you may notice an optional field where you can add a memo or description. It's particularly useful for tracking the specifics of a transfer, especially if you're managing multiple transfers or need a reference for the future. Finally, you'll wrap things up by clicking Save and Close if you've finished your task, or Save and New if you have additional transfers to enter. Either option will record your transfer, so QuickBooks can update your account balances accordingly. And that's it! You've successfully transferred funds between accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. If you found this informative, be sure to check out other videos in our QuickBooks tutorial series. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!